Hi, and welcome back to Suresh Explorer. I present you my brand new series, The Beauty of Silk Road, a special throwback from 2016 where I traveled solo from Xi'an, China to Istanbul, Turkey. This overland journey was crossing China, Kahazksthan, Kyrgyzstan and a little bit of Turkey. This series is going to explore the full hands-on experience of traveling the Silk Road, and included are guidance and tips in terms of accommodation and transportation to those who wish to travel on this road overland. If you are new here, welcome to Suresh Explorer and kindly subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on future videos. Let's check out the episode today, where we will be exploring the beauty of Xi'an. I landed in Xi'an after a flight from Malaysia on 20th of May 2016. Upon arrival at the airport, I grabbed a bus to the Hantang house, a backpackers hostel. The Hantang House Hostel, which was located just a mere 5-minute walk to the Muslim quarters, was the ideal place to venture Xi'an. I was fortunate enough to have a free walking tour to the bird market and the Muslim quarters by this hostel. It was about 2 hours tour. Muslim quarters must be the main evidence of why Xi'an is the starting point of the Silk Road. The spreading wings of Islam in China from Central Asia clearly can be seen here. So, those travelers on a strict halal food preference, this place really is for you. When the colors of Chinese culture meet colors of Islam, the beautiful rainbow formed in Xi'an really mesmerizes our mind.
So the whole street is considered Muslim street?
Yeah. This is the famous Muslim street.
Okay.
Almost all the visitors come here. And this is very easy to be found. Later we will go to Muslim community.
Okay.
Like a maze, so I should show you there. And here, if you have time, come here at night.
At night?
If you go straight, you will find Jump Tower. So it's very easy. When you find Jump Tower, you will find Muslim street. And for example, after dinner, if you have dinner here, after dinner, and you can go back to hostel this way. The way as we go just now. It's closer.
在这儿。
In Xi'an, our population is about 7 billion, and Muslim is about 7. Xi'an, let me think, 170,000.
Okay.
Almost all Muslim people live in this area.
Are you Muslim?
I'm Han nationality.
Huh.
This electronic car only running around this area. Pretty cheap. If you are Muslim, you just get a card and 1 yuan you can walk around anywhere.
Before plain water. What drink is that? Gas drink?
Like Fanta, sweet and sour.
Okay.
Okay. This is few chili and it's more chili. Which one do you want?
No man, I'll take this.
Try this.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
With spoon.
Spoon?
Spoon easier.
Okay. But it's too big for me.
After the tour and some food, I decided to visit Bell Tower at night. The Bell Tower was built in 1384 during the reign of Emperor Hongwu, and after many renovations, it was what we see here today. The architectural fit of this tower is breathtaking, which it combines aesthetic of the Ming Dynasty. Against the hustle of bustle of the city, the bell tower stands tall and looming, its presence a fresh breath of air to the tired eye. It is just unfathomably big. The video does not do it justice. There is a calmness to the bell tower, although it is surrounded by the city. There is calmness to its air. Red pillars glowed against the dark of the night, where the drums would be sounded at dusk, indicating that nightfall was upon everyone. the drum tower and the bell tower and quote-unquote siblings, where they were both used as an indication of time and as a security measure back in the day. Thank you so much for tuning to this episode of Beauty of Silk Road, and I will see you again on the next episode where we will be exploring the overnight train journey from Xi'an to Urumqi. See you all soon. Bye bye.